Today I'll be doing an unboxing segment, but in this case it's going to be an unpackaging episode on a Bruce Lee item, and it's coming right up. What's up guys, Charles Damiano back from the Bruce Lee collection for another exciting episode of Bruce Lee Show and Tell. In this episode, what I wanted to do is I wanted to give a shout out, first of all, to a guy I know for well over 20 years now. He's out of Ireland and his name is Sean Buggy. And we've been pen pals since the early 90s and we've stayed in touch with each other. He's purchased lots of Bruce Lee items from me. We shared Bruce Lee items, we've traded Bruce Lee items, and for Christmas he wanted to send me a present, and he said it was a surprise, and he sent me this package which I just received because I just got home, and I wanted to kind of unveil this together with you guys because I know you guys like seeing new Bruce Lee items. And when I got this in the mail, I felt like a kid again because I remember at 13 when I used to wait by my mailbox when all my Bruce Lee magazines used to come from Hong Kong. I was always so excited. So I figured we'd open this together. I have no idea what he sent me, but he said I was gonna love it. So again, Sean, thank you for this item. I'm about to open it up. I'm sure I'm gonna love it. And that was very thoughtful of you, man. So again, great having you as a friend, and let's open this up together. So let's see what this is here. Let's get this going. I wonder what this is. Let's see, from Ireland. Nicely wrapped in some bubble wrap here. Okay, let's see. Woo! Hey, give me that item! Hector wants to steal the item already. Here we go. Let's see, he wrote here. One of the very first Hong Kong magazines to feature Bruce Lee pre-death. The early pre-death spelled his name Bruce Lee, L-I. It had been restored by Eastern Heroes to make it look like the day it first came out in early 1971 and 1972. Hope you like it, Charles. Best, Sean. So let's see what this is, man. It's a restored magazine from the early 70s. Yeah! Let's see how this thing looks. Bam! That does look restored. Vintage, right?
Nice, nice.
That is nice. I don't have this one. Look, Bruce Lee Special. So this was a Hong Kong magazine that came out right in 71 or 72, and it was probably re-released because you can't find these old magazines anymore. They're so difficult. And Eastern Heroes put this out, and it is a magazine from back then. Let's just flip through this real quick, see what kind of images are in here, and photos of Bruce. A little one from Big Boss. You got some early shots of Bruce Lee and Brandon Lee. Here goes some shots from Chinese Connection, Big Boss. Some classic shots from the Chinese Connection. More images of Bruce. Again, this was the actual magazine that came out in 71, 72, but has been restored. So these are the photos they used pre-death at that time. A nice little centerfold of Bruce Lee with his autograph on here. Sean, thank you, man. I love it. Look at that nice classic scene of Bruce from Chinese Connection with the blue uniform on.
Steve McQueen!
Steve McQueen, baby, there he is. You gotta feature him in there.
Big Steve!
Big Steve. Some more Bruce doing a little haircut action here. Very talented. More Chinese Connection shots from behind the scenes. Here's some rare shots. I love these. These you don't see very often. Some behind the scenes shots of Bruce from Chinese Connection. Couple more images of Chinese Connection. So again, fun magazine. Again, Sean, thank you, man. I appreciate you sending this by. I love it. Big shout out to you, man. Thanks for thinking of me. Peace out. Until next time, guys, have fun collecting.